check this out. So you're able to hold it up upside down like that, and the sockets aren't going anywhere. All right guys, today's video, I'm going to showcase some Olsa Tools socket organizers that they have here. All right, so they sent me a couple sets, a metric set and an SAE set, but they have a lot of other different colors that you can choose from as well. Let's just take a look at these socket organizers right here. One of the things that stood out to me as soon as I loaded one up with sockets was, first of all, they're made out of some good strong plastic, so they're not going to crack or deteriorate over time. I think they'll hold up for a long time. But check this out. So you're able to hold it up upside down like that, and the sockets aren't going anywhere. Now, this comes with like a magnetic base on it. And once again, I might have mentioned this on some other Olsa Tools, I think on that wrench rack, but they really just dialed it in when it came to just the perfect amount of magnetic pull. So once it's down on your drawer, as you can see, I'm wiggling it back and forth. It's not moving anywhere. Just enough pull where it'll stay there, but it's not too hard to lift up and take wherever you need to take it. But like I showed you before though, you take it somewhere, you know, these sockets aren't going anywhere. Now, obviously, if you drop it or throw it, they'll probably come out, but for the most part, if you handle it okay, they'll stay right in there, and I really like that. Let's do that famous slam the drawer test, and we'll see if they move at all. All right, as you can see, nothing. The only thing that moves are the ratchets and the breaker bars right there. So other than that, these things are solid. So, but yeah, I'm really liking what I'm seeing from these. A really good long-term socket storage solution that Olsa Tools offers out there. If there's one thing that would have been different with this set is, as you can see with the 1/4" drive and the 3/8" drive, you're able to put your shallow and your deep in one tray. But when you get up to your 1/2" drive, they only have the spots for shallow or deep. And I think the main reason is that because they wanted to keep this piece within a certain length and size. I mean, if they would have done something like this, yeah, I'm sure they would have made it bigger and bulkier. So they wanted to keep it within a certain size. So I understand that. But at the same time, I would have liked to have my deep and my shallow 1/2" drive out here, like I have my 3/8" drive and my 1/4" drive. But other than that, I'm really liking it though. It's a really solid product from Olsa Tools. So, all right. Anyway, let me know what you guys have out there, what works for you. But either way, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later.